On September 13, 2021, the Global Green Growth Institute GGGI signed a project grant with Korea International Cooperation Agency to strengthen the solid waste and fecal slag management capacity of the Greater Kampala metropolitan area. This project that will run from 2022 to 2023 is targeting green jobs creation, increase access to sustainable services, and greenhouse gas emission reduction.
Kampala, they have no formal processing of any form of waste, and in some areas, because we're talking about waste both solid as well as liquid waste, so that means fecal sludge or human feces, and in some parts of Uganda you can still see people defecating outside, for example. So again, you do not have to be an expert in this area to see the need for Uganda and Kampala to address the waste challenge that you're facing.
The Uganda Vision 2040 aspires to pursue economic development and socio-economic transformation premised on the principles of a green economy, such as equality, environmental sustainability, and resource efficiency, among others.
We are looking at the Greater Kampala metropolitan area. So the planning scope is a lot bigger, wider, and we are looking at a total solution for the Greater Kampala metropolitan area. Two, the focus is also going to be on green solutions. Green solutions. Because as I mentioned, we want this project also to reduce our greenhouse gas emission, especially from solid waste. And solid waste that comes into Kampala involves Mukono, Wakiso, and Kampala itself. Hence, the need to make sure that we holistically manage it. It becomes also cheaper, but effective.
Korea is ready, willing, and able to be good and sustainable partner to Uganda that is struggling to achieve social and economic transformation. I dare to say that Korea can give Uganda something that the other rich countries cannot. We Koreans were in a much worse economic situation than the current Uganda. Right after we had gone through colonization by Japan and the Korean War, we were very poor and underdeveloped. But now we are one of the most advanced and developed countries and the 11th largest economy in the world.
It is estimated that about 90% of the population in Kampala relies on the use of the on-site sanitation facilities, which include pit latrines and septic tanks. However, some of these pit latrines are filled with solid waste, which end up in the environment, creating healthy and environmental problems for the people and the city. Bedson Mumbere, Smart 24 TV, Business Today.